Hi friends, Larry Paloma and I are here with another math lesson for you. I am on week 1, day 4 of your packet. And let me share my screen with you. Let me make sure this is the right one. Yep, here we go.
Josh needs to shovel snow from 50 driveways. He has already shoveled 30 of them. How many driveways does Josh have left to shovel? You have learned a few different ways to solve this subtraction problem. One way to solve the problem is to use a 100 chart. Where do you start on the 100 chart to subtract?
Okay friends, right now is a great time to go grab your 120 chart and your whiteboard marker. So go ahead and pause the video if you need time to go grab it. And here we go. So remember, when we're subtracting, we always start with the bigger number, okay? On your 120 chart, I would like you to circle 50, please.
You start at 50 because it is the number of driveways that Josh has to shovel. What do you do to subtract 30 on the 100 chart? Select your answer.
Okay, friends, I want you to think to yourself, are we going to move up, which is subtracting by tens, or are we going to move to the left, which is subtracting ones? The number is 30 that they want us to subtract. So let's think. How many tens are in the number 30? Did you say 3? Good job. We're going to move up 3 rows.
You move up 3 rows since 30 is 3 tens. Each time you move up a row, you subtract 1 10. 50 minus 30 equals 20. Another way to solve the problem is to use a number line. What does the first hop from 50 to 40 show? It shows that you subtracted 110 from 50. So, what do the next 2 hops show?
10 and 10, that equals 20. So the next 2 hops have to be subtract 20.
They show that you subtracted 2 more tens, or 20 more. You subtracted 30 in all. So, 50 minus 30 equals 20. You can also think addition to subtract. How can you think addition to solve this problem?
Okay, friends, we've got 50 as our whole. We have 30 as a part, and we're missing a part. So if I were to think, 30 plus a number equals 50, I could start on my 120 chart at 30, and I could count by tens until I get to 50.
Since Josh has already shoveled 30 driveways, he needs to shovel some more to shovel 50 driveways in all. So you can think about what number you should add to 30 to get 50. 30 plus 20 equals 50. So 50 minus 30 equals 20.
What's your favorite way to subtract?
Okay, friends. So please make sure that you have your packet ready. I'm going to go ahead and skip this front page. This is just reminding us that we can use a 120 chart. We can use a number line. We could also use a 10 frame if you wanted to. That would take a little bit more time. So I'm going to jump ahead and I'm going to go to this back side. So they're giving you a lot of room to work with, and the directions say use the strategy you think works best to solve each subtraction problem. Explain your reasoning. You don't have to worry about the explain your reasoning part, okay? Just skip over that, that's not important. Right now, we've got 90 minus 20. Now you decide which way you think works best for these problems. So you could also draw some lines on your paper. So I would draw, let's think, 90, I'm on number 5, 90, how many tens are in the number 90? 9 tens. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I could cross off 2. And then I could count how many sticks I have left. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10 sticks left. Okay. And what does 7 10 sticks equal? Well, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 is your answer. You could also do this one on your 120 chart. So I would find the number 90 on my 120 chart and I would circle it. And then I would jump up or move up 2 rows. So 1, 2, okay? 2 would be 2 jumps. So the answer again would be 70, okay? Let's move to the word problem, okay? I'm on page 463. Actually, let's go ahead and skip to page 464. So 464, week 1, day 4. And I'm going to go ahead and look at number 13, okay? This one, number 14, is optional. You can do it if you want. If you don't want to do it, that's okay. So number 13 says, Pearl's basketball team scores 50 points in one game. They score some more points in the first half. They score 20 points in the second half. How many points did Pearl's team score in the first half? Well, I'm going to get out my 120 chart, and I'm going to circle 50, okay? And I'm also going to circle, let's see, 20. Let's try this and see if it works. Okay, so they started at 20 and they scored a total of 50. Let's count how many jumps are in between those numbers. So let's start here and we'll do 10, 20, 30. Oh, they scored 30 points in the first half of the game. Okay, let's talk about this one really quickly. It says, explain how you would use a 100 chart to solve 60 minus 20. Well, you could just tell me, I start at 60 and move up 2 times, and then I land on 40. Okay? This doesn't, you don't have to fill in this entire space. Okay, friends, thanks for watching my video. Talk to you later.